Alrighty, so we're gonna do a little Doordash experiment. I got my order right here. I just ordered about 80 bucks worth of food from Freddy's, and now we got a dasher named George who's been assigned to it. We got a $2 peak pay running out here in Florissant, so that means this order came in at what? No, I think it's a $2.50 peak pay, so that means this order would have came in at $4.75 before the tip, and I threw a nice $6 tip on there. Alrighty, so the dasher has our order and he should be heading this way now. Now I'm curious to see what the offer screen showed him, because I know the base pay out here is $2.25. So I'm actually very curious to see what was shown to him. I tipped $6 in the app, so I'm guessing if it showed him the full $6, that order would have came in at $10.75. We're gonna see what he says. I did click hand to me so that they can hand me this order, and we're gonna go ahead and bless him with a cash tip too, because you know what, dashers don't get enough cash tips, and if I gotta be the one to go ahead and keep that going and make sure dashers out here seeing more cash tips, well damn it, that's what we gonna do. But we also gonna do this for some research and get some information and just see how much of the tip DoorDash likes to show the offers. In this case, when it's a peak pay going on, we know it's $2 peak. I think it's $2.50, but it's at least $2. So at minimum, this order came in at $4.25. But if there's a $2.50 peak, it would have said $4.75, and that's without my tip. With my $6 tip, the minimum they should have showed on this order would have been $6.25. If it's $6.25, that means DoorDash hid $4 of my tip, and everything above that, we can get a better determination of how much information that DoorDash likes to give the drivers. And we can also ask if they stacked it with any other orders or anything like that. But let's do this research and let's get this dasher some money, and let's get me some food. I'm freaking starving. How you doing? Hey, you mind being in my video for my YouTube channel? I'm doing it for the order.
Oh, for the order?
Yeah. And I'm trying to see if DoorDash shows the drivers like the right information. It's for you.
Oh,
it's extra. How much did the DoorDash offer show you?
You know, don't show the whole tip.
Oh, okay. So is there a $2 peak pay going right now?
$2 peak pay. And the reason why I know it was I went to cancel.
Yeah.
The second one, it's farther. I just want to make sure that one had a tip on.
Yeah.
Because I was going to drop it.
Yeah, and that's what we do, because look, it's no tip, no trip all day.
Hey,
and
I got STL delivery guy on TikTok. I be putting these videos out too.
I'm Dash and Trader. Check me out. I got a YouTube channel. I'm on TikTok too. And that's why I wanted to give you that cash tip. Us Dashers, we don't get enough cash tips. So it's swerping down, they tip cash.
They say they're going to tip after. No, I tell them, I'll say, look, you heard the checks in the mail?
Yeah.
No, I'll bring the shit right back.
So as a Dasher, I make it my business to give cash tips when I order, and something in the app so that I can know, because I know they had tips.
Right.
And even that $6 I put in there, that ain't enough because they stacked you. And I'm sitting here talking to you, but I want to say thank you. Keep it up. And guys, this goes to show DoorDash, you know, even with me tipping 11 bucks, they still stacked my order with somebody who didn't tip as good. But I made sure I took care of the Dasher anyway, so he can have a good hourly rate. If you don't mind, I'll, you know what I'm saying?
Right on.
We got to make sure we hooking up our Dashers.
Everybody needs a tip like this man.
That's right. Hey, you have a good one, man, and
Thanks,
thank you.
bro.
You have a good one.
Yep.
And if you like this video, make sure you check out this other one right here. This the one YouTube think you should watch, so you might as well go ahead and watch it. I mean, what the hell you waiting for? Ain't number earning opportunity. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.